Hello there, financial trailblazers. Have you ever been flabbergasted to find a bill landing up in collections without any prior warning? It's like a twist in your financial tale that you didn't see coming. Let's spotlight the enigma at hand and solve this together. Bills can sometimes end up in the shadows of debt collection without much warning due to a labyrinth of factors. Think outdated contact details, miscommunication, or just a slip-up from your creditor. But stop stressing. In this monetary game of chess, you're not powerless. Time to pull up your sleeves and take assertive steps to fix the situation. Be proactive. Check your billing statements like a hawk. Keep your contact details updated. And remember, you're in the driver's seat. If a bill does take an unexpected detour into collections, remain cool as a cucumber. Make contact with your creditors or the collection agency to discover why. Don't hesitate to demand details about the debt and seek validation if you need it. Communication is your best defense. Here's your secret weapon. Remember, you can also ask for a goodwill adjustment if it was a one-off oversight. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. You got this. Stay on top of your finances, remain informed, and don't be afraid to claim your rights. We're steering through these financial twists and turns together, ready to take on the world one bill at a time. Time to kickstart your financial revolution. Let's rock this game.